Hello everyone. Today I will be making an update video about my Crossbones cosplay. I've hinted about this in other videos like my battering video or my YouTube shorts. I thought I'd do a full update on it. By the way, sorry if I'm looking down throughout the video, I have a script. In case you don't know, Crossbones is a villain from Captain America Civil War. And he's not very well known, so I'll attach a picture of him here. I thought that he'd be very fun to make out of foam and easy because he doesn't have that many armor pieces. But while making it, I realized that I'm not that great at foam smithing, and I was a bit disappointed in how it was looking. Around that time though, I just made this guy, which I have a video about. I'll put it up somewhere. And I was so happy with how this turned out, especially seeing as this is my first ever 3D printed prop, or full at least. I've done little tiny things. But yeah, I just realized how easy that is to make. It's not easy by any means, but it's easier than I had expected. Also, I had just gotten my new 3D printer, the Anycubic Mega X, which is somewhere over here. And yeah, I was just really excited and thought, hey, maybe I can 3D print this costume, and I bet that would look a lot better. So yeah, decided to do that. I looked around, there weren't many models. The best one I found was by Do3D or Do3D, but that was just the helmet. So I reached out to someone on a website called CG Trader, and he made a full model for like $150, and yeah, that one looked amazing. His name is Unknown Cosplay Infinite. He has some of the files up already. Go check him out. He does some awesome work. And about the files, they were amazing files. Super happy with them. I printed a lot on my Ender 3, so I had to like split them up, but here's like the chest, and most of them were scaled great. For example, this is the helmet. It's in 2 pieces, but still. This thing fits amazing, and most of it does. I had to scale down some pieces like the shoulders and feet. Anyway, yeah, amazing work. I started printing on my Ender 3, and I wasn't able to use my Mega X for a while, for other reasons. So that's why I had to split them up, like the helmet was split up and the chest was in the 4 pieces. But yeah, it's going really well. Some of the prints were having this weird issue. I would print them like this and up, and when it got higher and higher, it would do this weird looking thing, almost like extreme stair stepping. It looks like a layer shift, but it shrinks the layer or something like that. My guess is that it keeps printing the layer and then prints the next one too low or something, but I really don't know why that is. If you guys do, let me know, I guess. So yeah, up to now I have not used the Anycubic Mega X, though this printer, my Ender 3, is now malfunctioning, just under extruding. I had an example somewhere. And I got a new PTFE tube, but on the rest of my pieces will be on the Mega X. So it's gonna be like the other shoulder and the gauntlets, the biggest pieces, the shins, that kind of stuff. But yeah, pretty good. I've probably done like 40% of the printing so far, and also got as many materials and preparation ready. I've gotten all the spray paint that I'm gonna need, at least most of it, and also filler, like primers and stuff like that. Got a giant tube of Bondo red toothpaste. I got all the clothes ready, like these black camo pants I'm gonna modify, or black shirt, all tactical clothes. Anyway, I've also been working on the vest. He has like a tactical vest, Crossbones. I'll try to put a picture here. And you can see like the underneath the chest and everything. I didn't know how to make that. I wanted it to look as accurate as I can, and none that I found, like tactical vests, really looked that accurate. So I decided to make one. In a nutshell, I'm gonna have a whole video about that, but in a nutshell, I patterned it like I would aluminum foil and duct tape, and made it out of, or will make it out of 10mm foam, and cover that in a nylon canvas kind of fabric to make it look like it is like a tactical vest. But yeah, so the pieces I printed so far are the pieces that go up here. The whole helmet is done, the whole chest and back, and the foot armor. Yeah, foot armor is weird. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The settings I used on the majority of the prints were 2mm layer height, 5% gyroid infill, supports everywhere, 65° support overhang, a brim for adhesion, 230 on the hot end, 60 on the bed, and a 1.2mm wall thickness. And these were all printed in Duramic 3D's Gray PLA Plus, my go-to filament. These, yeah, printed very nicely. Well, except for the under extrusion and stuff, but that's because of the printer. So for the videos I want to do about this, I've been procrastinating. I've been wanting to do it since I think last December, at least, and kept procrastinating, and now I have to do all the printing and sanding and smoothing and everything, and I have less than 40 days, and I'm taking this to a con in that time, MegaCon to be exact, and it's my first convention, so that's fun. So there will be a bit of a gap between the video releases, and I won't release all the videos. But speaking of videos, I'm planning on doing another update video coming soon once I have all the pieces done. Probably a video about the helmet to cover all the base techniques I used to do the rest of the armor. One about the big gauntlet pieces, because those are very critical. And one about the vest, because that's kind of weird technique. And one about my thoughts at the end of it, like how I thought I did and what I could improve on, that kind of thing. And finally one where it's just me at MegaCon in the costume. So yeah, like I said, there'll probably be a big gap between those because that's a lot of videos and I have less than like a month and a half to make it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.